Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli. Mbukeli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
I have the South African ID. I'm married here for 20 years.
No, I am from Pakistan, but I've got a paper. I'm legal. I'm married here.
Amaphoyisa esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal akwazile ukudambisa isimo sokungena ngodli ezitolo zabokufika ngesikhathi izakhamuzi zizitapela ezitolo zabokufika endaweni yaseMtshezi.
Organised criminal syndicates treated South Africa's border posts as weak points that could be exploited for the trafficking of drugs, illicit goods. That era is coming to an end.
Ihhovisi lomnyango wezasekhaya lithi ukuhlelwa kabusha kwezokuphepha emngceleni seqala ukuthela izithelo. Lokhu kulandela ukubanjwa kwezidakamizwa zenani lebhiliyoni lamarandi emngceleni iBeitbridge esifundazweni iLimpopo.
We are creating a platform of common coordination of the working class agenda and programs.
Abaholi bamaqembu ehlukene ezombusazwe bethamele ingqungquthela ye-SACP nalapho sebenxuse khona ubumbano ukuze kuqulwe izimo zokuphila kulabo abahlwempu kanti i-ANC iziqhelelisile nale ngqungquthela eqhubekayo. Sivule ngodaba oluthi amaphoyisa esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal asekwazile ukudambisa isimo sokungena ngodli ezitolo zabokufika ngesikhathi izakhamuzi zizitapela ezitolo zabokufika eMtshezi. Kubekwa ukuthi kutatshwe ezitolo ezingaphezulu kweshumi okukholakala ukuthi ngezabantu abadabuka kwamanye amazwe.
Isimo sesibuyele kwesejwayelekile emva kozitapela kwabantu ezitolo zabokufika eMtshezi KwaZulu-Natal. Amaphoyisa asola ukuthi lokuzitapela kwabantu kubangelwe isinqumo senkantolo ephakeme eMgungundlovu ekhipha umyalelo wesikhashana uthi umasipala inkosi Langalibalele uvumele iqeqebana labadabuke eEthiopia baqhubeke namabhizinisi abo.
The looting is believed to be a response to foreign nationals who took the mayor to court recently. A meeting has been arranged for Friday afternoon between the office of the mayor, the police and owners of the building which houses the shops which were looted. The aim of the meeting is to come up with a solution to the prevailing tensions between locals, foreign nationals and the authorities.
Ubambe njengomkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal, uMajor General Phumelele Makoba uthi amaphoyisa aziqaphile izitsongo zokuvala umgwaqo uthela waye ku-N3 ngaphambi kombhikisho wabashayeli bamaloli okuhlele ubanjwe kusasa.
We have noted the threats made concerning the blocking of the road on the N2. Our intelligence is working on that. Provincial joints, partnering with business sector and our partners in crime, our community policing forum, we have developed a plan to respond to any eventualities.
Uphinde waqinisekisa izakhamuzi ukuthi amaphoyisa enza izinhlelo ngaphambi kokuba kufike umhla zingama-30 kwezokwethwasa.
Let me also assure the residents of KwaZulu-Natal that plans are also underway in planning for the 30th of June 2026, which is banded about another day of blend march.
Kusenjalo, abanikazi bezitolo bathi banamaphepha abagunyaza kuba babe kuleli.
I have the South African ID. I'm married here for 20 years. I have my children here. And I'm operating this business here maybe 15 years.
No, I am from Pakistan, but I've got a paper. I'm legal. I'm married here. I've got children here.
Amaphoyisa ke asiqaphile isimo azoqhubeka nonkanisa kuleya ndawo.
Kusenjalo amalungu enhlangano yomphakathi iMarch and March anikele emgwaqeni yaseMbombela esifundazweni iMpumalanga ekhala ngodaba lokugcwala kwabokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho. Bathi bafuna kuvalwe izitolo phethwe ngabokufika kuphinde khonjwe indlela nalabo abathengisa emgwaqeni abadabuka kwamanye amazwe.
Bebecele idolobha laseMbombela ababhikishi bomkhankaso weMarch and March kanti le march ihambele nezindawo lapho kuthengiswa khona izidakamizwa nalapho abantu bethengisa umzimba ngokungemthetho.
We demand that all shops owners, whether documented or undocumented foreigners, return to their countries. We want a list of all shops in Nelspruit or Mbombela and the names of their owners.
Intsha engasebenzi nayo ibe yingxenye lomkhankaso ekhala ngabokufika abathengisela intsha kuleli sidakamizwa.
We have a lot of friends our ages that we came out of high school with them and suddenly they are in the streets doing drugs and so forth, so they need to go.
Le mashi ithole nokwesekwa ngabashayeli bezithuthuthu abakhala ngezinkampani eziqasha bokufika.
The problem that we have as bikers here at Nelspruit, we have that issue of Mr. D Uber Eats checkers. They don't hire us as South African. They hire outside people. Like we go to 60-60. We have that issue with 70 people of drivers that are working there. We have 10 South African people that are working there. So we don't want that anymore.
Umasipala wethembise ukuzisukumela izinselele eziphakanyiswe abekade bemasha.
Ungqongqoshe wezasekhaya uDokotela Leon Schreiber uthi ukuqiniswa kwezokuphepha emngceleni yikhona okuholele ekushaqeni kwezidakamizwa ezibiza ibillion lamarandi. Kuleli sonto uphiko olubhekele imingcele iBMA ishaqe izidakamizwa ezinesisindo esingu-713 kilograms emngceleni iBeitbridge kwathi abasolwa abathathu bangaphandle bakhalelwa ngamasongo kaSigonyela.
Uphiko olubhekele ezemingcele lushaqe ilolo ebelithwele izidakamizwa zohlobo lomethadone eyaziwa nangokuthi i-APA zenani elilinganiselwa ku-1 billion wamarandi kanti lezi bekuyizidakamizwa eziningi emlandweni kwesezike zatholakala kuleli. Ungqongqoshe wezasekhaya uDokotela Leon Schreiber uthi lo msebenzi uyingxenye yemizamo ebanzi yokuqinisa ezokuphepha emingceleni.
I also want to emphasize that this interception is not an isolated event or a matter of luck. This was not a coincidence. It is the product of sustained reforms that are steadily rebuilding the capability of the South African state to secure our borders and restore the rule of law.
uSchreiber uthi ukutshalwa kwemali ohlelweni lomsebenzi zomhloli kanye nobuchwepheshe kuzothuthukisa ezokuphepha emingceleni nakumachweba ezwe.
For too long, organized criminal syndicates treated South Africa's border posts as weak points that could be exploited for the trafficking of drugs, illicit goods, undocumented persons, and other forms of transnational crime. That era is coming to an end.
Ukhomishana wophiko olubhekele ezemingcele uqinisekisile ukuthi baboshiwe abathathu bebehamba ngeloli belithwele isidakamizwa.
So on that basis, we can also confirm that there were 3 people that were actually in the truck. And in this instance, we were able to obviously ascertain that the truck is a Malawian registered truck.
uSchreiber uxwayise labo abashushumbisa impahla ngokungemthetho ukuthi iziphathimandla zizoqinisa ukulawulwa kwemingcele.
Abaholi bamaqembu ehlukene ezombusazwe babe yingxenye yengqungquthela ye-SACP nalapho benxuse khona ubumbano ukuze kuguqulwe izimo zokuphila kulabo abahlwempu. Zingaphezulu kwamakhulu amathathu izithunywa ezethamele lo mhlangano ozodonsa izinsuku ezintathu obanjelwe eBoksburg empumalanga yeGoli.
We are not going here to dissolve our independent political organizations. We are creating a platform of common coordination of the working class agenda and programs. We are seeking here to deepen the unity of the working class, to revitalize working class activism, and indeed articulating a unifying agenda based on the objective demands of the working class in our country.
MK is proud to be associated with this left initiative. We commit that we will do everything to build and cement unity, unity in action, and solidarity.
Kusenjalo unobhala jikelele we-ANC uFikile Mbalula uchaze ngezizathu ezenze ukuthi iqembu lingayithameli ingqungquthela ehlelwe yi-SACP eyethanyelwe ngamaqembu ehlukene ezombusazwe. Umbalula ubekhuluma nezithunywa zalomhlangano wophiko lomakade bona be-ANC eGoli.
The so-called Conference of the Left in the movement's plain reading is an effort by convening forces and their allies to counter the ANC work in the present period and to assemble what they will present as credible left alternative to the movement. The naming of the contradiction by the convening forces is the contradiction of the ANC versus the left. The naming of the contradiction by the movement is the contradiction between the National Democratic Revolution, which the movement leads, and the forces of reaction, an untransformed capital that the movement contests. The framings cannot be reconciled. For this reason, the ANC will not participate in the Conference of the Left, and the movement does not concede to the theoretical ground to the convening forces.
Mbukeli okwamanje sathi qhu ezitolo siyabuya futhi nezinye izindaba ezihlabahlosile zosuku unganyakazi. Asekubingelele sikwamukele mbukeli sikhumbuze ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzosithola ngobunjalo bazo. Uma sihlabela phambili samukela udaba oluthi umengameli wezo Cyril Ramaphosa uthi ukubuyiselwa komhlaba emphakathini eyephucwa wona phambilini kuyindlela yokufeza isibophezelo somthethosisekelo sokuthi akekho yophinde ephucwe umhlaba ngenxa yebala lakhe. Umengameli Ramaphosa wedlulisele ngamatayitela omhlaba emphakathini emithathu yaseBolorong esifundazweni iNorthwest.
Kuqopheka umlando kubuyiselwa izithunzi zokubuyiselwa komhlaba kubanikazi bawo.
Today therefore is a culmination of a struggle for land that has been and that has become an item in our struggle and today becomes a reality.
uRamaphosa uthi ukubuyiselwa komhlaba kufanele kube ngaphezulu kwenqubo yokuphatha.
When I hand over the title deeds today, I am fulfilling a constitutional responsibility.
Ukuhamba ngolonwabo ekubuyiselweni komhlaba kusakhathaza kakhulu. Kunikezelwe ngamatayitela ngaphezulu kwama300 ezindaweni ezahlukene ngaphansi kohlelo iLand Tenure Right. Kwaphinde kwanikwa amatayitela abalimi abangama20 kuso sonke isifundazwe.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme uButi Manamela uthi akazange ayelela amalungu ebhodi lesikhwama esixhasa abafundi ngemali ezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme iNSFAS ukuthi enze okuphambene nomsebenzi.
uManamela namalungu ebhodi leNSFAS elihlakaziwe bavele phambi kwekomiti lemfundo ephakeme ukuzophendula ngokwenzeka emhlanganweni owabanjwe ngoMbasa. Kulo mhlangano kuvela ukuthi uManamela wayefuna kuqokwe isikhulu esasifunwa nguyena.
Was it an interaction with the board? It wasn't. It was an instruction session.
Ungqongqoshe ubeke okwehlukile kunalokho okuchazwe yibhodi.
I'm quite surprised that I'm said to have issued an instruction in that meeting.
Amalungu ekomiti ashaya amakhala ngokwenzeka emhlanganweni wangoMbasa.
In the meeting, did the minister instruct you to not proceed with the appointment of the CEO of NSFAS? Because what we effectively have here is that we have people who are attending parliament in the form of the minister and the board, and both of them are presenting diametrically opposed versions of what happened. So what we know is that someone is lying, but we may not necessarily know who is lying.
uManamela ohlakaze ibhodi ngasekuqaleni kwalenyanga wabesebeka iNSFAS ngaphansi kweso lomlawuli okuyisinqumo esizophonselwa inselelo enkantolo yilabo ababengamalungu ebhodi.
Izigameko zobugebengu kanye nokushushumbiswa kwezidakamizwa kuyaqhubeka nokuletha ukukhathazeka kothisha kanye nabafundi kwezinye izikole eNelson Mandela Bay esifundazweni Eastern Cape. Lokhu kuhlaluke ngesikhathi umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo uqalisa ngohlelo lokuseshwa kwabafundi obeliholwa ngungqongqoshe womnyango uSifiwe Gwagube.
Ukungakhuseleki kuthande ukuvama kwizikolo ezizinze Nelson Mandela Bay, ingakumbi ezo zisezilokishini. Ezi zikolo zijike zaba yindawo yolwaphulo-mthetho. Kuvakala ukuba ootitshala abanamdla wokuya esikolweni ngenxa yezinga elinyukileyo lolwaphulo-mthetho ezilokishini nasesikolweni.
Sinengxaki yabantu abangena barobhe esikolweni, pretending ngathi ngabazali but bangene bona barobha apha esikolweni ngaphakathi apha esikolweni. So sinaloo ngxaki leyo ke ngoku nabantu abaqabela amacingo bazoqhekeza apha esikolweni.
Mende umemelela intsebenziswano yokulwa ubundlobongela kunye nolwaphulo-mthetho ezikolweni.
Eyona nto ndiyibonileyo yinto yobana izikolo azikwazi ukudunxulwa kwindawo ezikuzo. Ii-communities ezethu ziya ngoba more violent, kukhona ii-drugs esizibonayo and ezo zinto ziye zibone uba zingena esikolweni. Now iyanyanzeleka ke ngoku into yobana thina sizi-communities singurhulumente sithethe nabazali ngoba leli dabi alizuwinwa ngamapolisa alone. Kuyanyanzeleka into yoba abazali, communities, iinkokheli zasekuhlaleni zidibane ziqonde into yobana masilixuthe izikolo zethu nee-communities zethu from emaseleni.
Abafundi baye batyikitya isibhambathiso sokulwa impathombi ngakubanye abafundi. Isebe lezemfundo liza kundwendwela ezinye izikolo nakumanye amaphondo. Ndingulubaba Lodada kundaba ze-SABC eGqeberha.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kube nokunqamuka kwamanzi ezingxenyeni ezithile eGoli ngenxa yokulungiswa kwengqalasinda yawo okuzoqhutshwa inkampani ehlinzeka ngamanzi eGoli iJoburg Water.
Inkampani ehlinzeka ngamanzi iJoburg Water eGoli inxusa izakhamuzi ukuthi izikha amanzi ziwabeke ukuze zizokwazi ukuwasebenzisa ngesikhathi kuqhubeka ukulungiswa kwengqalasizinda. Kukhuthazwa nezakhamuzi ngokuthi ziwasebenzise ngokucophelela njengoba iJoburg Water izophinde ihlinzeke ngamathangi esikhashana azolekelela izakhamuzi ngalesikhathi.
We are affected by the rainwater maintenance which started today and it will go on until Tuesday the 2nd of June. So in terms of areas in Johannesburg that will be affected, it's Sandton, Midrand, South Hills, Linksfield, Randburg, Rudeport, Soweto, and areas that will not be affected are Lowly, Enedale and Orange Farm. In terms of what we've planned and the mitigation measures is that we will make alternative water supply available to residents who will be impacted either by low pressure to no water for the duration of the maintenance. We've made available roaming and stationary water tankers.
Izakhamuzi zithi zitsheliwe ngalolu hlelo futhi sezizilungiselele ngalo.
We've been notified in advance that there will be a water cuttage as from today. And then many of the community members, residents, they prepared to can have some storage of water in 20-liter containers.
Zone Jojo tanks lentos and res. So in case ke ngoku amanzi avele ahambe sinazo iJojo tanks to depend on, but for now basixelela ba okay guys ibuckets ne bath lentoni fill with water because amanzi azohamba.
Ayike mbukeli kubika sengathi ayikho ezimisele ngokugoba uphondo. Ake siphinde futhi sihlabe ikhefu uma sibuya sizobe sinomhlahlo wesimo sezulu esewuphathelwe uThayini Ntshiza unganyakazi. Nginibengele babukele emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele kwisimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlo ake sibethe simi kanje siqaphela nje mbukele ekhemezela ke nje izulu embombela kuye njalo nje esifundazweni eKwaZulu Natal kepha kuzwaqaphela nje lamathuba emvula amakhulu athani baqiniseke nje khona ke eMthatha kepha liphengile nje izulu khona ke nje esifundazweni eGauteng kanti ke kusasa lisakhemezela ke nje izulu embombela kuye njalo nje esifundazweni eKwaZulu Natal saphinde futhi siqaphela nala nkungu ke ekhasa phansi khona kwelikaMthaniya kuye njalo nje eKapa lodumo kanti ke amazenga okushisa kusasa ame kanje zoqaphela nje ikakhulukazi khona ke nje eGoli Soweto kaNdonga ziyaduma ngasho nje siyakubuza ngempela ukuthi ngubongaki ke namhlanje ebusuku ngawo nje u5 kanti ke kusasathana ukuthi nje liphole ke nje ngawo 22 liphole njalo ke nakhona ke nje ePretoria singawulindela nje u22 mobheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iLimpopo amazenga okushisa ame kanje leyashisa ke eMosina ngo27 kuye njalo nje eGiyani singawulindela nje u25 kanti ke mobheke nje khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga amazenga okushisa ame kanje ngasho nje silipholile eMbombela ngawo nje u20 kuye njalo ke nje esikhukhuza singawulindela nje u21 kanti mobheke nje khona ke
esifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal amazinga okushisa ame kanje eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi singawulindela nje u24 kuye njalo nje uLundi ngasho nje ukuthi thani kusinje lifudumale ngo23 kuye njalo nje eFryhead singawulindela nje u23 kanti mawubheke nje khona ke esifundazweni Eastern Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje ikakhulukazi ePalmabek sekhona ke nje eGqeberha ngasho nje ukuthi ebusuku liyabanda ngo11 kanti ke emini singawulindela nje u23 kuye njalo nje eMthatha thana ukuthi nje lipholeke nje ngawo nje u23 mawubheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iWestern Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje liyabanda ke eKapa Lodumo ngo19 kuye njalo nje George singawulindela nje u20 mawubheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iNorthern Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje eKimberley liyashisa ngawo nje u27 kuye njalo ke nje eUppington liyashisa ngawo nje u29 kanti ke ebusuku singawulindela nje u8 mawubheke nje khona ke eFree State amazinga okushisa ame kanje eBethlehem thanda ukuthi nje lifudumale ke nje ngawo nje u23 kuye njalo ke nje eBloemfontein singawulindela nje u23 mawubheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iNorthwest amazinga okushisa ame kanje eRustenburg liyashisa ngo23 shisa njalo ke nakhona ke nje eMahikeng singawulindela nje u25 sibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusidla mina ke ngintombi kaMadlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Umbukelisi zibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona kusihlwa kusasa hlangabeza oza kwethu nezindaba ngolimi lesiXhosa kuze kube ngokuzayo usale kahle.